you can adjust until the maximum and can dim to the last bit. Then we have
Before we start the video, I would like to appreciate and thank my girlfriend for the gift of this ring light. Thank you so much, and I love you so much. Babe, what do you think it is?
PS4.
PS5. No, she knows I don't play games. Oh, it's so big. This is my Christmas gift from Umu. It's a ring light, as you can see here, guys. It's a ring light. My son broke mine and she had to surprise me with a new one. Wow. This is so beautiful, babe. And what do you have here? Down here we have nothing. Down here we have nothing. Another flavor. Yeah, here we have nothing. I have to be careful. Wow. I think this is going to be so beautiful because my son spoiled mine. And then I told my girlfriend, my son spoiled my ring light, that's why I can no longer vlog. And then she had to surprise me with this one. This is amazing. So we're going to build it together with you here. So, from Amazon, and yeah, this is Amazon, right? Yeah, it's from Amazon. So we can now open. You have to open. It's another bag. Wow. It's packed so well.
It's so beautiful.
This is so beautiful. Wow. Let's see. And the chuma is so strong. The one which I was having it was not like this, you know. I'll start by this one. As you can see, it's very strong. Wow, I like it already. Wow. And then you open this one. Wow, babe, I love it. I love it. Thank you, Umu. Let me throw this off before my son gets it and puts in the mouth. Babe, what's the function of that salt?
I have no idea.
Okay.
You tell me.
I don't know if it's for smell or something like that, so that it smells good. Perfume. Babe, see! Wow! This is amazing! Wow! Yeah! It's so cool. Wow! Hey!
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're going to open the bag. We're going to put it down. We open the bag. Yeah, inside the bag we have a booklet. Or how do you call it? Oh,
A booklet.
A booklet.
Yeah.
So we put it on top. It's a new one. It's my baby. My new baby. I'm going to open. Let's see what's inside. This is a battery.
I think adapter or something.
Adapter? Yeah, it's true. So we have to fix inside here, right? Okay, just put everything here so that you can fix it. And then this one is when you are vlogging, you can
like
press the remote
to control the light.
Yeah. And this one is for connecting somewhere here.
Yeah.
Or here. And then this one is supporting the phone or the camera.
Supporting your phone or camera.
Supporting the phone or the camera. It has a very nice bag where you put all the things inside, you know. Yeah, just close it like that. Now it's empty. And now my husband is going to make it stand. So guys, stay tuned and hope you subscribe. Very bright. That's too bright. Mwisho wake. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I like it. So naona hapa kwa temperature ingine niko on and off. Power. So iko off, si ndio?
Yeah.
Chini kwa juu.
So endo kwa to test. Yeah. So you can adjust until the maximum and can dim to the last bit. Then we have temperature. This is for temperature. You can cool, or you can like that.
Oh, that's for temperature.
Yeah.
Okay. And now make it dark.
Yeah. There you go.
And then warm. Oh. Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Super.
So they see the lights are off. Yeah. So guys, this is actually the actual light and I love it so much. The lights are off. This light is only for the ring light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can adjust.
Yes. Yes.
Are you just?
Yeah. Let not blow on my face. So guys, thank you so much for watching. My hubby, thank you so much for everything that you have done.
Yeah.
I'm thankful.
Yeah.
Though you are a belu at times. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss the next. I'm going to leave a link in the description box so that you can buy also your ring light from where my girlfriend bought hers. Thank you so much for watching.